guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very fucking well. I just want to show you the trade that I took today whilst I was at work. I didn't bring my laptop, so it's just screenshots. Let's get cracking. So basically, you can see this is when I entered the trade. I entered short right here, stop loss above the highs. We had a SFP there. The green line is the 786. So as soon as we started rejecting off that SFP, I was like, yeah, fuck it, that's a good entry. This is just an overview from the whole move. You can see Fibonacci was taken from that high to that low. We had the 786, and there's the high, the SFP high with the 786. So obviously I was into short because I knew I had a feeling we could go lower. This is just it on the 15-minute, and this is, we actually did break down kind of right away. However, started trading above the 786, and I was kind of shook. Not shook, never get shook. And then yeah, we started breaking down more. So I set a TP. I should have set my TP at 3RR, but I set an alert at 3RR. You can see I'm up 1.6, and then we broke down and we went back up. I set this alert was at 3RR. This alert here, the black triangle, was an alert at 3RR, which would have been plus 3k. And as you can see, price went there. TP was not hit because I did not set it. Although in hindsight, I probably should have. It was literally in that moment mentally where I made the decision to not take profits. So I should have, I imagine. I wasn't too confident in this trade, so I should have just taken a TP, to be honest. But you can see after that, I just moved stop loss to break even in hopes to break down lower. You can see my stop loss goes to break even. And yeah, soon after that, got stopped out at break even, which was good. However, in hindsight, I can see now why we only just tapped the SFP line. We didn't really test it, so the chances of getting a nice move down were lower compared to if we had left a bigger wick behind. But yeah, that's the trade, guys. Got stopped out. And let me show you the roll chart. This is where we got stopped out. And we broke back below. We nearly tapped the 382, which is funny because 786 to the 382. However, we basically, but yeah, this is what happened. So yeah, I got stop loss at break even. Oops. Let me show you the account. Wow, it wasn't even break even, these cheeky bastards. Basically break even though, minus 200. But that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching this trade. And I hope you learned that you just take your profits at 3RR to secure the money. Because I could be up 3k right now. I could be up 3RR for the day on a Tuesday. But I'm not. So